Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use these 5 new AI tools and enhance your workflow. So right now, I'm currently inside Agent AI. It's going to be one or the top first in our list right now. And by the way guys, this Agent AI is created by Dharmesh. It's a pretty talented individual. Anyway, for this one, I'm going to tackle first Company Research Agent. And by the way guys, before we start it up, this is a list of AI, or basically a compilation of AI that you can use to better improve your workflow. So first, let's start with Company Research Agent. Just simply click on Use right there. So once you're here, basically type in any domain or name. For this video, I'm going to type in NVIDIA, a powerful company that sells graphics cards mainly. So I'm going to click on Run Agent right now. And with this one, with just a few seconds, I have a background of a research or surface level information for NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, the AI computing pioneer, invents GPUs driving AI, gaming, and so much more. It even has the sector, the website, number of employees right here, founding years right here, and market cap, and so much more. It also have a social media link for you guys to work with, and then so much more. Of course, you can also type in your domain here, for example, if you have a business. But for now, we're going to settle with NVIDIA. You can guys also copy the report URL on this option, and then just use it, and you'll have all of the information at your bidding. Now, before we move on with the next tool right there, I want to go back on Agent AI. Let me just remove that one. So right now, it's currently on maintenance, but Website Conversion Optimizer is my second favorite AI here. So what it does is basically gives you tips on how to improve your AI. I have a screenshot of what's currently inside it, so you have a background. So it's gonna look like this. So basically enter your link of your own website, may it be your Wix website, may it be your own personal website with a domain. And then Agent AI, or more specifically, Website Conversion Optimizer, will give you recommendations on how to improve your website, like so. So here are some potential improvements for this webpage. Pretty awesome, right? It's like having your own personal assistant with one click of a button. Now let's move on with the next feature that I'm going to give you. For the next one, I know you're very familiar with Canva. If you're not, I have a video about it, so please check it out. It's a very comprehensive study. Anyway, with this one, this is going to be the landing page of Canva, right? So what's new here? Basically, Canva Create is what's new. So Canva launched a new feature wherein basically remodeled Canva for itself. What I mean is, if you click on Magic Studio right there, one of the 2 or one of the 3 best features added in Canva via Canva Create is going to be Magic Design and Magic Design for Video. So let's try this one first. I'm going to try Magic Design for Video, and I'm going to see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, once you're inside, Canva will ask you at least 3 designs or 3 files to add to your video. So with this one, I think I'm gonna work with this guy right here, this one right here, and then I can add a little bit more video. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna generate right there, or I can simply describe the kind of video you want. We'll use this design to generate the design. For example, let's try this one. I'm gonna click this one, promotional video for an urban roast coffee shop. So welcome back to the video. Right now we have our basically video again from Canva Magic Video. So what it does is, it created or compiled the 3 files I had and created it in a very fashionable way that compensates an urban roast coffee shop that is a promotional video. Basically for this one, it just created a promotional video with me with the help of the 3 files I gave it. So there is another thing that's pretty useful inside this Magic Studio. So for example, I'm going to upload the video here for videos. I keep saying videos a lot, so sorry about that. So I'm going to upload the file here very quickly that I got from Pixelbay. So welcome back to the video. Right now I have successfully uploaded my video inside Canva. So what you can do here regarding the Magic Video option is that if you select your video right there, go to Edit Video on the top right here, you're going to have 2 tools to work with. One is Background Remover. Now before I proceed on the main attraction here, I just want to highlight how powerful Background Remover inside an application wherein you can remove the background of a specific video. Take note guys, this is a very good tool. Based on my experience of years of using with AIs, background mover in videos doesn't come often. So I just want to highlight how powerful this is. By the way guys, the feature that I'm going to show you is highlights. So if I click on highlights right there, with just a few minutes, it will now cut my video in specific sections, wherein it will give me the highlights. Basically that's it. The name itself suggests it. It will cut down my video into separate sections for very important highlights to work with. For example, the first one right here is the energetic dance circle. Second one is the dynamic dance moves. Final dance moments is going to be the last one. As you can see right here, they're going to be grayed out for some specific reasons, wherein the only important part are remain intact. Awesome, right? So the next one right here, I'm just going to remove that video and I'm going to upload a photo. So let me just give me a second here. It's going to be an awesome photo. Going to be this one right here. For example, I have a photo. I have so much things to do here. I think I have 12 donuts here to be precise. Anyway, once you're here, click add image. You're going to see an option that says magic grab. So basically what it does is, it's going to give you the option to grab each of the segment here. Let me just grab this little guy in the front, like so. Click on grab. Now Canva will now get that donut right there that I can use it to my separate photo, videos, what may have you. By the way guys, this is actually a very good option. So welcome back to the video. Right now, Canva has successfully applied magic grab. As you can see right here, if I move it, I can move the donut wherever I see fit. Yes, there's gonna be a leftover right there if you call it, but still, it's an awesome feature, right? So this will depend basing on your photo itself. Now this is gonna be added on your library, like so. Awesome, right? And that is gonna be the new feature in Canva for you. Let's move on with the next tool. So for the next tool, it's just basically gonna be Lumi AI. If you're familiar with Pexels or Pixabay, this is just an upgrade. Basically, all of the images here are AI generated by the name itself or the slogan. No more boring stock images. The best free stock photos and royalty-free images powered by robots everywhere. Basically, robots are going to be AI. So as you can see right here, this creator has made so much interesting photos. As you can see right there, this guy is AI generated. It's very realistic, right? Awesome. By the way, you don't have to log in here or sign up. You can just simply click on download right there and you'll be good to go. So the next feature is going to be called Mistral. And I think this is similar to ChatGPT. The only difference is this is for free for now. Anyway, the only difference also with this one versus ChatGPT, this has 4 modes. One is large, the next one is basically next, small is the followed, and then cadastral is my favorite, fast and specialized in code. As you can see right here, we have a code to work with. Basically, I asked it to create a code for me on Python for a simple timer. I can just simply copy the code and apply it to all of my platform where I can use it. So basically right now, I don't have a platform to check this out, but basically please try it out on yourself, and basically that's how it works. Let's move on with the next one. So for the next one, we're gonna call it Perplexity. I have a video about this one, so please check it out. So I'm showing you this one even though I have a video about this. There is a new feature. It's gonna be called Page. Right now it's gonna be under Library, and then just simply click on Page, and you're gonna see this option. However, on my end, it's still gonna be on beta phase. So page creation is available to select users only. If I want to enable this one, I can just pay for the subscription. So I won't waste your time here. I have screenshots on what to expect what's inside. So let me just pull them one right here. Let's start with this one. So basically, Page gives you the option to write your own page with a simple prompt. So for example, type in here, what's your page all about? And if you want to type anything, just simply type coffee shop or starter coffee shop, whatever you want there. Next one, if you start a coffee shop or attracting customers for a small business, this Perplexity AI will create a blog post for you with citations that you can check on the internet. Next up, if you check on the citations, you're gonna have sources also to work with. Awesome, right? and it is also fully customizable. For example, the cover photo that this AI or Perplexity gives you, you can change it. Now I'm just gonna wait for the approval on my end because I already applied for a paid user. Anyway, I'll see you once it's available on my end. I'm gonna create a separate video about it. And basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.